Welcome to Vision Academy, Daily Current Affairs in English. Date April 18, 2021. Let's start with international news. NASA's choice SpaceX to land astronaut on the moon. Elon Musk SpaceX won the NASA contract to develop a system for landing astronaut on the moon, beating out fellow millionaire Jeff Bezos, Blue Origin, and a unit of Leidos holding NASA awarded the lander contract after 10 months of development work. The plan by SpaceX, which is based in Hawthorne and whose full name is Space Exploration Technologies Hub, depends on refining its Starship vehicle and super heavy rocket, which are also in development as a fully integrated lunar landing system. Iran violates nuclear deal. Iran has continued its increasing stockpiles of enriched uranium and remains in violation of its deal with world powers, the United Nations Atomic Watchdog reports. The International Atomic Energy Agency reported the findings in a confidential document distributed to members countries. The agency said that as of May 20, Iran's total stockpile of low enriched uranium amounted to 1.73 tons, up from 1.1 tons on February 19. Iran signed the nuclear deal in 2015 with United States, Germany, France, Britain, China, and Russia, known as a Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action. It also allows Iran only to keep a stockpile of 447 pounds. The US unilaterally pulled out of the deal in 2018. The IAEA reported the Iran has also been continuing to enrich uranium to a purity of 4.5%, higher than the 3.67 allowed under JCPOA. It is also above the Pact's limitation on heavy war. Castro era in Cuba to end. Raúl Castro confirmed he was handing over the leadership of the Cuban Communist Party to a young generation at its Congress that kicked off on Friday, ending 6 decades of rule by himself and older brother Fidel. In a speech opening the 4-day event, Castro 89 said the new leadership would be party loyalist with decades of experience working their way up the rank and were full of passion and anti imperialist spirit. This official ends 6 decades of dominion over Cuban politics by Castro and his brother Fidel, who ruled for nearly half a century from 1959 to 2006 and is widely revered as the country's father and savior. Diaz-Canel will be only the third ever first secretary of the all-powerful Communist Party of Cuba (PCC), while still retaining the presidency. He also becomes Cuba's first civilian leader since the Castro-led revolution of the 1950s, which happened before he was even born. National news. Assam below poverty line people gets free vaccine. Amid the rising number of COVID cases in Assam, the state government has announced that the government would provide remdesivir injections used as treatment for COVID free of cost to people living below the poverty line. The Health and Family Welfare Department of the government of Assam made this announcement. COVID Suraksha. The union government approved a grant of rupees 65 crore to Hyderabad based Bharat Biotech and similar grants to 3 other public sector undertakings to develop the production of indigenously developed COVID vaccine called Covaxin by May to June. Under this mission, COVID Suraksha program, which was announced under Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme, launched last year. Under the mission COVID Suraksha, the Department of Biotechnology is providing financial support as a grant to vaccine manufacturing facilities to enhance the production of indigenously developed vaccine. This bank is offering higher interest on fixed deposit for getting vaccinated. In order to encourage people to get COVID 19 jabs, the Central Bank of India has announced a special deposit scheme called Immune India Deposit Scheme, offering an additional interest rate of 25 base points above the applicable card rate for those who get vaccinated. Committee on Air Pollution, the Union Environment Ministry has constituted a 7-member committee to continuously monitor the short-term and long-term solution of air pollution. It will be headed by C.K. Misra, the Secretary of Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. The committee will meet at regular short intervals to draw up a plan and ensure enforcement. This committee will monitor the air quality over 124 cities including Tamil Nadu, Thuthukudi, Madurai and Tiruchi. Tamil Nadu news. Actor Vivek passed away at 59. Tamil actor Vivek passed away in a Chennai hospital early on Saturday following a cardiac arrest. He was 59. Actor Vivek was admitted to the intensive care unit of the hospital on Friday morning after he suffered a heart attack. A medical bulletin said he underwent emergency coronary angiogram followed by angioplasty. Soon after he fell sick, there were claims that his illness was linked to him receiving the COVID 19 vaccine, following which the Tamil Nadu Health Department was forced to call a press meet to dispel the rumors. Vivek was awarded the Padma Shri in 2009 by the central government. Vivek had also developed a close bonding to the principal of APJ Abdul Kalam and highlighted them through his roles. Vivek called on Kalam when the latter was a president of India. Kalam advised him to propagate the need for a green movement and growing more trees. Soon, Vivek started a movement to plant 1 billion trees across Tamil Nadu by reaching out to the students and the large society. Sports news. Ancient Wrestling Championship. Indian wrestler Ravi Kumar Dahiya retained his Ancient Championship title with a solid performance, but Bajrang Punia settled for a silver medal after withdrawing from the much awaited final against Takutu Otoguru due to an elbow injury. Important dates. World Hemophilia Day. Every year, April 17 is observed as World Hemophilia Day. Our body required 13 types of molecule for the blood clotting. Hemophilia is a rare disorder of the blood in which it doesn't clot normally because it lacks sufficient blood clotting proteins. This year's theme is adapting to change. Expected questions. How much percentage enriched of uranium has Iran begun in violation of the nuclear deal? Answer 60%. Second question. What percentage of enriched uranium was agreed to use in nuclear deal by Iran? Answer 3.67%. Which medicine is free for corona patient below the poverty line in Assam? Answer Remdesivir. Fourth question. Under which scheme was Government Suraksha declared to increase the production of domestic COVID vaccines? Answer Atmanirbhar Bharat. What is the name of the bank that launched the Immunity India Deposit Scheme? Answer Central Bank of India. What percentage of interest will be paid by the central bank for those who have been vaccinated against corona? Answer 0.25 basic points. Question number 7. Who was the chairman of Committee to Monitor Air Pollution in Polluted City? Answer C.K. Misra. Question number 8. Which of the 124 cities in Tamil Nadu currently has the worst air quality? Thuthukudi, Madurai and Tiruchi. Which year Actor Vivek was honored with the Government of Indian Padma Shri Award. Answer 2009. Question number 10. Name the organization Actor Vivek worked to planting 1 crore sapling on the dream of Dr. Abdul Kalam. Answer Green Kalam. Question number 11. When was Hemophilia Day observed? Answer April 17. Question number 12. What is the theme of World Hemophilia Day 2021? Answer Adapting to Change, Sustaining Care in a New World. For daily current affairs updates, subscribe to Vision Academy YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you.